Start your day with a nutrient-packed glass of juice using the ZULAY Masticating Juicer. It delivers up to 96% juice yield by extracting every drop from fruits and veggies like celery, carrots, and leafy greens. The slow press motor reduces oxidation, preserving essential vitamins and minerals. Its wide 3-inch feed chute saves time, while the reverse function prevents clogs. Cleanup is effortless with quick disassembly and the included cleaning brush. Plus, the separate juice and pulp spouts make serving a breeze. Blend, whisk, and froth like a pro with this 800-watt Immersion Blender. Its 12 adjustable speeds and stainless steel blades make it perfect for everything from soups to smoothies. This compact, durable blender comes with multiple attachments, including a whisk and frother, for versatile use. Whether you're whipping cream or making pancake batter, it delivers smooth results every time. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as simple as blending. Say goodbye to knuckle grazes with this safe-to-use rotary cheese grater. The easy-to-install blades and wide hopper, paired with a food pusher, let you grate, slice, and shred without ever touching the sharp edges. Featuring 5 interchangeable blades, this multitasker is perfect for grating cheese, slicing vegetables, shredding potatoes, and even making cookie crumbles. The suction base keeps it stable, and cleanup is a breeze. Just toss the blades in the dishwasher. Compact and functional, this is a must-have for cheese lovers and home chefs alike. Elevate your kitchen with this sleek stainless steel cooking utensil set. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, this set includes all your essential tools, from spoons and turners to ladles and tongs. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, while the heat-resistant construction makes them safe for high-temperature cooking. Plus, their stylish design complements any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're stirring sauces, flipping pancakes, or serving pasta, this set has you covered. Take your meal prep to the next level with this 15-piece knife block set. Precision forged from premium stainless steel, these knives are built to handle any task, from slicing meat to dicing herbs. The set includes chef knives, a bread knife, a Santoku knife, steak knives, and even kitchen scissors, all housed in a natural wood block with a built-in sharpener. With ergonomic handles for comfort and control, this set is perfect for both seasoned chefs and home cooks looking to upgrade their tools. Enjoy fresh, pulp-free juice with the electric citrus juicer. Featuring a powerful yet quiet 160-watt motor, this juicer is pressure-activated, making it effortless to extract every drop of juice from your citrus fruits. 2 interchangeable cones accommodate fruits of all sizes, from limes to grapefruits, while the stainless steel filter ensures smooth, pure juice. The anti-drip spout, protective cone cover, and dishwasher-safe parts make this juicer as convenient as it is efficient. Simplify cooking with this versatile meat chopper. Made from heat-resistant nylon, this tool is perfect for breaking up ground meat, mashing potatoes, or mixing ingredients. Its ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, and it's gentle on non-stick cookware, so you can chop and stir without worrying about scratches. Dishwasher-safe and compact, it's easy to clean and store, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Simplify your kitchen tasks with this versatile can and bottle opener. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic soft handle minimizes wrist strain, making it perfect for everything from daily cooking to camping trips. The integrated bottle opener makes it a 2-in-1 essential, and its compact size means it fits effortlessly in any kitchen drawer. For easy maintenance, hand wash it with mild detergent to keep it in top condition. Make mincing garlic and ginger a breeze with this rust-resistant garlic press. Its built-in studs extract maximum paste with minimal effort, perfect for both home cooks and professionals. Crafted from food-grade zinc, it's designed to last for years, and is even dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleanup. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to quick, efficient cooking. Elevate your cooking game with this versatile meat tenderizer. Its dual-sided head features a smooth surface for pounding meat to the perfect thickness, and a textured side for tenderizing tougher cuts. Made from premium aluminum alloy with a non-stick coating, it's lightweight yet durable. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort whether you're prepping meat, crushing garlic, or cracking nuts. Cleaning is easy, and the built-in hanging hole makes storage a snap. Add elegance and durability to your drinkware collection with this 6-piece set of 16 ounces tumblers. Crafted from shatter-resistant, BPA-free acrylic, these glasses are perfect for daily use or entertaining guests. Their crystal-clear design showcases beverages beautifully, while the thick base ensures stability. Dishwasher-safe and stackable, these tumblers are as practical as they are stylish. This 12-piece mixing bowl set features 6 sizes with matching transparent lids. Perfect for prepping, mixing, and storing, these bowls are sturdy enough for hand mixers and immersion blenders. The tight-fitting lids keep food fresh and prevent spills, while the stackable design saves space. microwave, freezer, and dishwasher friendly, this set is a must-have for any home cook. And that wraps up our ZULAY Gadget Roundup. If you loved discovering these versatile kitchen tools, you'll definitely want to check out our Best Ninja Gadgets video. Check this video out.